Hey Daniel, how much time do you usually spend watching TV?
I think I watch about 2 hours a day, sometimes more on weekends. What about you?
I probably watch 3 hours a day, especially in the evenings. Do you usually watch TV alone or with someone?
It depends. If I'm watching a series, I like to watch it alone so I can focus. But if it's a movie, I prefer watching it with friends or family. What about you?
I mostly watch TV shows alone, but I love watching movies with my family. It's fun to talk about the movie while watching.
That's true. Speaking of movies, what's your favorite genre?
I love comedy and drama, but sometimes I enjoy a good romantic movie too. What about you?
I like action and science fiction movies. I also enjoy thrillers.
Oh wow. Do you like horror movies?
Not really. I don't like being scared when I watch a movie. Do you?
No way. I get nightmares if I watch horror movies at night.
So, do you think you're addicted to TV?
Maybe a little. I always want to watch one more episode before bed. What about you?
Same here. If I start a good series, I can't stop watching.
Do you usually stay up late watching TV?
Yes. If I find a good show, I can stay up until 2 or 3 a.m.
Oh no, that's way too late.
I know, but sometimes I just can't turn off the TV. What about you?
I try to sleep early, but sometimes I stay up until midnight watching movies.
And how do you feel the next morning?
Terrible. I feel so tired at work, and I need extra coffee to survive.
Same here. When I sleep late watching TV, I feel exhausted the next day.
Yeah, staying up late is fun, but it's not a good idea when you have work the next day.
Exactly. I always say, tonight, I'll sleep early, but then I start watching something interesting, and, well, you know what happens.
I totally understand. Maybe we should start watching TV earlier, so we don't stay up too late.
Good idea. Or maybe we just need more self-control.
Yeah, let's try. But first, let's find a new series to watch.
Sounds like a plan.